pressure. Today we're going to learn about air pressure. To do this experiment, we'll be needing a glass of water, some gauze, a small spoon, a small container, a rubber band, and some food coloring. First, add some water into the container. Then add some food coloring. After that, mix. Then we'll put the wired gauze on top and secure it with a rubber band. Then we'll put a piece of cardboard on top and then flip it. Voila! The water didn't come out because of the air pressure. The surrounding air is pushing the water up. That's why the water is not coming out of the container. Interesting experiments. Please like and subscribe. Bye bye!